Headway. Squad full of fucking killers, I'm a killer too. Pop, pop. Hey, 6 out. Somebody call the fucking doctor. I want to while I get my dick licked. I'm a beast, smoke shit to the people.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that's different right there. That's a whole lot different than that. Well, I don't know, what you down one app or something like that? Demo, what happened? Y'all, you had something else in here.
I had the AKs in
The
That's
synergy.
slam.
The
That's-
synergy,
yeah,
boy.
the synergy,
Yeah, that's
you
a big
know.
difference right there. Yeah, yes, sir.
330Ks, but my boats ain't holding right now. That's the only thing. I'm like 15.3 right now.
What
We're
you usually
playing-
charge it?
Huh?
What you usually charge it?
16.2.
Oh yeah, you a good ways away then.
I'm way
I was
off,
wondering.
though,
I know
look.
it was running.
I'm only at 15.5 right now. On one arm, the other one's at 16.4, but my battery's at 15.3 right now.
I was wondering why you had it run. I said, yeah, it ain't even truck. I figured you knew it was running. I said,
Yeah.
shit.
I'm in the charge.
Trying to get it back up.
Scraping the pavement with his knuckles, gorilla like with it.